Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him all the way. Oh, let's go explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
We went on a huge adventure together. When did you don't remember it all?
Is he orange with white stripes? It looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dori. Games? I love games. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a little...
Jellyfish!
Right! Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games.
Dory, do something!
Hey, stop the jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping! Stop fooling around! I'll let you down.
What if you want what are you from the pipes? Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce.
Go with the flow!
We're right behind me, Dad! Come on,
Totally! Everybody's looking for it!
Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo. All right, don't hurt yourself.
Big old blue. Too many creatures!
Hi, I'm Dori. And it's exactly 3.2 seconds between crams.
Hey, where are you going?